How to add margin on Figma. First, we have to start to auto layout. This will be about really to about select frame, which is really about with the layout that is really to be going on with a certain moment that we would like to start to understand on it, which is really to be satisfied the progress that we can start to see on it with a very good moment about to add margin, which is really auto library. This really for first of all about to go for the adding a frame or layout, auto layout, which is really okay. So we're gonna see right here which kind of sense that you want actually on margin. So you can start in the right panel is about to throw padding. I don't know what is about is the padding for inner spacing or space between the between items. So how to add searching for margin. If you see right here, you can see the margin is really not appearing. So if I type it margin here, margin can be added like this. You can run it. As you can see, I will run this margin on this situation. Select the layer. As you can see, I gonna start select this layer, and maybe I will do this on select layer with parent frames. So maybe I gonna start to add a certain layer, and then I go starting with this about to go for a certain layers over here. So maybe that is all about to add margins.